Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. KillaWatt here. So in today's video, I decided to do a smoky fall look, and I used my MorpheXJaclyn. I'm always using this, y'all, but it's so many different looks you can do. So I did this one. This one is the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I also used some Fenty products today. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to stay tuned and see how I got this look, just continue to watch. Don't forget to follow me on all my social networks, on Instagram and Snapchat, all at KillaWatt. So I have two pages now. So I have one for just my business slash client beauty makeup. So that's KillaWatt Beauty, and then my personal page is KillaWatt. So yeah, follow me on there, and also subscribe to my channel, and also like this video, and also share it too. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. Bye guys. I love big curly hair. It's just everything. What you think? Hey y'all, so jumping right into this video, I'm going in with some primer. This is the Makeup Forever Eye and Lip Primer, and I'm just using this all over my eyes. And then I'm taking my MorpheXJaclyn Hill, the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and jumping into the shade Access. And I'm just applying this color all up and through my crease. I'm being so wild with this. So then I took the shade Agent and applied that into my crease, but it wasn't showing up that much. So I took the KillaWatt foil highlighter. I took the shade Mimosa Sunrise and applied that into my crease. Not too much because it is shimmery, and I really don't like shimmers in the crease, so I just did a little bit. So then I took the shade Smooth Criminal and just packed that softly onto my lid, and then took the shade Proud, and then I really just packed that color onto my lid as well. So I went back to the color Secure and just used that to blend the dark and the light shadows together so I can have a nice smooth blend. And of course I'm still using really big fluffy brushes. Then I took the Fenty Beauty FlyLiner in Because I'm Black, or Cause I'm Black, something like that. I actually really like this eyeliner. It doesn't like bleed or anything, because I have used some liners that, like, if I put it too close to my inner eye, it'll start to bleed and spread and everything, and this one does not, so I like that a lot. So I mixed the colors Secure and Smooth Criminal and just applied that to my lower lash line, and I just like kind of blew it out. So I applied the Secure first and just really smoked it out, and then on top did the Smooth Criminal. Then I'm using my Fenty Beauty Me Money Hustler Baby highlighter to highlight my tear ducts. And I believe that was Me Money that I used. So y'all, let's just talk real quick, okay? Because this is gonna look a hot mess. But I didn't notice like how bright my light was in like where I was filming at this day. It was so freaking bright, and I didn't notice it until I started editing this video, and I was like, dang, I look so washed out. But I promise you, in person, I did not look that washed out. And actually, the first part of the video, in my intro, I didn't look washed out at all. So it was pretty much the way, I guess, my lighting was. So that's why I look so like washed out and ghostly and pasty. So y'all just look over that until like towards the end. So then I took some highlighter. This is my Reezy and Anastasia highlighter. One of my favorites right now. I'm being so extra, like I usually do not put highlighter right there. Just because I'm not going anywhere, so I just put it everywhere. Updated brow routine coming soon as well, so be on the lookout for that. So I'm using some setting spray. This is from Too Faced, the Hangover Spray. I'm using this just because my skin lately has been super dry. So I really like this setting spray just because it hydrates the skin and it has that coconut water in it. So that really helps to help with moisture and hydration. Then I'm just using a lip liner from NYX. It's just a regular brown lip liner. And then I'm just going to take the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton and apply that to my lips. At first I was going to leave it matte, but I was like, no, I want some gloss. Like, I love gloss. And then I took the color Crush, oh my god. I took the color Crush and applied that to the center of my lips from the Anastasia liquid lipstick. And then my Fenty Gloss Bomb, I love this lip gloss, and just applied this all over my lips. My hair was a hot mess, so I'm just going to take some gel and just kind of, I usually just put it on my edges and throughout my hair because it really helps to do a light hold, and I like the way this gel smells. I'm just kind of putting this mainly around the perimeter of my head and throughout my hair. I love messy hair. If y'all love messy hair too, please like this video. Like, just big, messy, curly hair. I just love it. It's so freaking pretty. And that's pretty much it, y'all. If y'all like this look, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye, guys.